studio, nigga. Yeah. Raw Dizzy. I built this shit from the ground up. You think you know, but you have no idea. Yeah. Now I'm on the inside looking out. This my house, can't a motherfucker put me out. I got the blueprint, my name is on the papers. I know what's in the attic, got the keys to the basement. The doorbell's ringing, everybody trying to get in, but ain't enough room, everybody can't fit in. The grass cut and the palm trees standing, so from the outside it looks something like a mansion. But shit doesn't always go as planned, kid. And things ain't really what they seem. If I wouldn't have been asleep, then this wouldn't be a dream. Now when I'm at the red light, all I see is green. Ever since a teen, I've been plotting on the scheme. But it's a cold game, I could fuck around and freeze. But I don't want the ice, dog, I just need the cream. Cause my niggas gotta eat, one player don't make a team. And everybody with the crown ain't the king. The real underdogs lying down in the beam. While these rappers telling ghost stories, got the fans thinking shit is all good, but it's no glory. Like trying to make a record without recording. Missing what's important and starting to get boring. Instead of me teaching kids how to sell chickens, I'd rather sit down and show them how to start a business. Man, I dropped out of school for these Pro Tools, cause I thought that it was so cool. Made it through the door, shit was so smooth. Till I sat down in the living room, I started feeling like an old fool. And these dudes tryna shit on me, but I don't sweat it, cause they ain't ballin', they just got good credit. Living with your mama, lil' homie, you ain't ready. Wanna know my next move, dog, I just keep them guessing. They say I lucked up, but you gotta be strong, call it tough luck. Even though I'm free, feel like I'm cuffed up. And now I see why the game is so fucked up. We in a different time, man, you gotta dumb it down to get spins now. I gotta get mine, it's like a sick crime. I wonder how these whack dudes not spitting be the first ones to get signed. It's about making hits, motherfucker, punchline. You think the labels give a fuck if you bust rhymes? I'm up early just looking for the sunshine. Having breakfast, I can't wait till lunchtime. Bitch, I'm grubbing. We on the grind, just a bunch of young hustlers that come from the gutter, turning nothing to a substance. And niggas talking all this gangster shit to the public. It's way more to life, better get a new subject. You ain't a boss, homeboy, unless you cut checks. See, I'm a hard hitter, like rough sex. I had to play the background, I ain't front yet. And I'ma let you know the truth like a blood test. See, everybody wanna be up in the limelight so they can shine bright, but it's a couple things that I just had to highlight so you can see what's really good through my eyesight.